combining insulation performance with elegant roofing design. This insulated glazed tile roll forming machine is designed for efficient production of roofing panels with decorative and thermal insulation properties. The feeding system ensures smooth material entry and stable processing throughout production. Accurate feeding helps maintain product consistency. High-precision rollers gradually shape the material into glazed tile profiles with excellent dimensional accuracy. Every forming stage is optimized for stable and reliable performance. From material feeding to profile forming, every detail is engineered for quality and efficiency, a professional solution for insulated roofing panel production.